What if your fridge leftovers could turn into a gourmet meal designed by AI? Imagine an algorithm that tastes with data and cooks with code. Sounds like science fiction, right? Well, today, AI isn't just writing code, it's writing recipes. From analyzing the random ingredients lurking in your kitchen to creating brand new, delicious dishes, artificial intelligence is transforming how we cook, how we waste less, and how we eat smarter. But can a machine really understand flavor, texture, and the art of cooking? Can it truly replace the intuition of a human chef? That's what we're here to find out. I'm about to put this to the ultimate test. I've got a fridge full of the most random assortment of ingredients you can imagine. We're talking half an onion, a lone carrot, some leftover roasted chicken, a dollop of yogurt, and is that a jar of pickles? This is the kind of culinary challenge that makes most of us just order takeout, but not today. Today, we're handing the reins over to our new AI sous chef. Let's take a look at the app we'll be using. There are a few out there, but this one claims to not just find existing recipes, but to generate a unique one based on the exact items I input. I'm taking a picture of my ingredients, and the AI is now analyzing them. It's identifying the chicken, the carrot, the onion, the yogurt, even the herbs I have in the back. The digital brain is whirring, processing flavor profiles, cooking times, and culinary chemistry. This is the moment of truth, and boom, we have a recipe. It's suggesting a creamy lemon dill chicken and carrot fritter with a spiced yogurt dip. Honestly, that sounds way more impressive than anything I would have come up with. It's even giving me step-by-step instructions, complete with timings. So the first step is to finely chop the onion and grate the carrot. The AI seems to understand the importance of prep work. It's funny, I'm following instructions from a computer, but the actions are so human. The sizzle of the onion in the pan, the smell filling the kitchen. The AI is guiding me, but I'm the one doing the cooking. It's an interesting collaboration. Now, for the fritter batter. It's instructing me to combine the shredded chicken, the grated carrot, the sautéed onion, some flour from my pantry, which it smartly asked if I had an egg, and some fresh dill. The lemon zest is a nice touch, something I might not have thought of to brighten up the flavors. The AI is essentially acting as a creative partner, pushing me just beyond my usual cooking habits. While the fritters are getting golden and crispy in the pan, I'll whip up the spiced yogurt dip. The recipe calls for mixing the yogurt with a little bit of the pickle brine. What a clever idea for acidity. A pinch of paprika and a clove of garlic. This is where you can see the intelligence part. It's not just matching ingredients, it's creating harmony between them. The salty, acidic brine cutting through the richness of the creamy yogurt is a chef-level move. Okay, the fritters are done. They look incredible. Golden brown, crispy on the outside, and I can see the flecks of carrot and chicken inside. The aroma is amazing, but the real test, of course, is the taste. I've invited a few friends over, and I haven't told them how this recipe was created. I've just told them I was experimenting in the kitchen. Let's see if they can tell the difference. Alright, the plates are served, the moment of truth. Let's watch their reactions. There's a moment of hesitation, then the first bite. And looks of genuine surprise. Wow, what is in this? It's delicious, one of them says. The fritter is so savory, but then you get this bright, tangy flavor from the dip. It's a perfect combination, another adds. They're asking for the recipe, and they're completely shocked when I reveal my secret co-chef was an AI. They can't believe that this gourmet-tasting dish came from what was essentially fridge-clearing scraps and a computer algorithm. So what have we learned? AI in the kitchen isn't about replacing the cook. It's about augmenting our abilities. It's a tool that can help us reduce food waste, which is a massive global issue. Think about how much food we throw away simply because we do and know what to do with it. This technology offers a practical, creative solution. It can also help us eat healthier by suggesting balanced meals based on what we have, and it can push us to become more adventurous cooks, introducing us to new flavor combinations we'd never imagine. Would you let AI decide what's for dinner tonight? Could this be the future of home cooking? I have to say, after this experiment, I'm a convert. The AI didn't just cook for me, it taught me a new dish and saved my leftovers from the bin. It cooked smarter than I would have, given the same ingredients. What are your thoughts? Are you excited or skeptical about AI chefs? Let me know in the comments below. I'd love to hear what kind of crazy leftover combinations you challenge an AI with. Thank you so much for joining me on this culinary adventure. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more explorations into the future of food and technology, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and ring the notification bell so you never miss an upload. Until next time, happy cooking!